Hi everyone, today we will explore the weather and the landscape menu in Lumion. To begin, we choose Blend Environment. It is a simple environment in Lumion. You can then edit and customize the environment to suit your needs. The menu. It is possible to regulate the location of the sun, clouds in the sky, and the sun's brightness. The landscape menu is next to the weather menu. Lumion provides a complete set of tools that help us to sculpt and modify the terrain. There are brushes available for sculpting the terrain. Let's look at what each brush can do to the terrain. We may also use the undo button to return to the previous step. There are 5 different brushes, and if you hold your mouse over the button, a little label with the name of each brush appears. Now that we know what each brush does, we can take our terrain control to the next level by adjusting the brush size and speed. Lumion offers some fantastic features for creating realistic water surfaces. First, let's start by adding a water body. To the project, with the following steps. Select a landscape menu. Click on the water submenu, and the menu appears. You can change the look of the water using the Type button. Select the Place Object buttons to place the water surface. This will create a sphere we can control using the icons on each corner to change the size and height. You can change the look of the water by selecting another type of water. But if you have more than 2 or more water surfaces, they are adjusted equally. Be incomplete without the ability to construct an ocean. Let's see how we can do that. Select the landscape menu. Click on the ocean submenu. To create an ocean, click on the ocean on/off button. Now you have access to several settings to change the look of an ocean. You can make a calm and peaceful sea, or you can modify the water so dramatically that it mimics a storm. If you need to change the height of the sea, use the height value. The Paint menu may be found in the Landscape menu, which also contains the landscape textures. To get rid of the crash, we'll need to paint another texture on top of it. Street Map allows us to create a city. I will show you how to use the Open Map system inside Lumion. The available map is basically like the Wikipedia of GPS mapping data. So, it's user-contributed information about streets and buildings. Here's how it works. On the Landscape tab, click the Open Street Map button and turn on the On-Off switch. Select the GPS Coordinates button. Type a location name into the search area, or click anywhere on the map. To move the GPS coordinate pin. To pan, hold down the left mouse button. Zoom in and out with the mouse scroll wheel. Adjust the radius of the OpenStreetMap area that will be downloaded by using the map range slider. The square represents the 10 × 10 km Lumion landscape. circle represents the region of OpenStreetMap that will be downloaded. Click the Download Hide Map option to add the elevation data for Lumion's landscape. To download the selected area, click the Start Download button and wait for the download process to complete. What you can get here is a nice island, and we have buildings that are coming from the ground. This entire region was built in less than a minute. Adding class is as simple as clicking the button. We will need to change various variables to achieve the desired appearance, such as class size, height, and wildness. Lumion, on the other hand, adds further textures to the picture by allowing us to sprinkle flowers, leaves, tiny plants, and pebbles throughout. This allows us to design a pristine lawn on a wild field. Never forget to save your file, especially Lumion. To save any project, we need to select the Files menu, which we can find on the right-hand side. Select Files button. Click Save Scene tab, then Save As to make sure that the scene file is saved correctly. Do not save it directly to the network drive or the cloud backup folder. Make sure to give each file a unique name so that you don't keep overwriting the same file. Now we know all the essential tools to work with Lumion. Let's make some fun static renders.